Good morning, students. Today our topic is about types of writing. A writer's style is a reflection of his or her personality, unique voice, and way of approaching the audience and readers. However, every piece writers write is for specific purpose. For example, writers may want to explain how something works or persuade people to agree with their point of view. While there are as many writers' style as there are writers, there are only four general purposes that lead someone to write a piece of writing, and these are known as the four styles or types of writing. Knowing all four types of writing and their usage is important for any writer. The first one is expository writing. Expository writing explains or informs. It talks about a subject without giving opinion. Expository writing's main purpose to explain. It is a subject-oriented writing style in which authors focus on telling you about a given topic or subject without voicing their personal opinion. These types of essays or articles furnish you with relevant facts and figures but do not include their opinions. This is one of the most common types of writing. You always see it in textbooks and how to write article. The author just tells you about given subject such as how to do something. Key points usually explain something in a process. Second is often equipped with facts and figure. Third is usually in a logical order and sequence. When you would use expository writing, textbook writing, how to write articles, recipes, news stories, not including opinion or editorial pieces, business, technical or scientific writing. The second type of writing is descriptive writing. Descriptive writing focuses on communicating the details of a character, event, or place. Descriptive writing's main purpose is to describe something. It is a style of writing that focuses on describing a character, an event, or a place in great detail. It can be poetic when author takes the time to be very specific in his or her descriptions. Key points. It is often poetic in nature. It describes place, people, event, situation, or location in a highly detailed manner. The author visualizes what he or she sees, hears, tastes, smells, and feels. When you would use descriptive writing? When you are writing poetry, general, nature writing, descriptive passages in fiction. The third type of writing is persuasive writing. Persuasive writing tries to bring other people around to your point of view. Persuasive writing's main purpose is to persuade someone. Unlike expository writing, persuasive writing contains the opinion and biases of the author. To persuade others to agree with the author's point of view. Persuasive writing contains justification and reasons. It is often used in letters of complaint, advertisement, or commercials. Key points. Persuasive writing is equipped with reasons, arguments, and justification. In persuasive writing, the author takes a stand and asks you to agree with his or her point of view. It often asks for reader to do something about the situation. When you would use persuasive writing, opinion and editorial newspaper pieces, advertisement, reviews of book, music, movie or any restaurants, letter of recommendation, letter of complaint and cover letter. Four types of writing is narrative writing. A narrative tells the story. There will be usually be characters and dialogue. Narrative writing's main purpose is to tell a story. The author will create different characters and tell you what happens to them. Sometimes the author writes from the point of view of one of the characters. This is known as first person narration. Novels, short stories, poetry can all fall in the narrative writing style. Simply, narrative writing answers the question what happened then, like story writing. Key points: a person tells a story or event, has characters and dialogue, often has situations like action, motivational events, and conflicts with their eventual situation. Characteristics of good writing: develop strong leads, examine the story from all angles, revise and rewrite. Activize, passivize. Activize uses a subject verb object structure. Active: cat eats the mouth. Passive: the mouth is eaten by the cat. Use of activize, passivize. Spelling: everyone makes spelling mistakes, so you use computer spell check technologies to your advantage. Use of proper noun. Commas, use of commas like use of hyphen, quotes, using of pictures, diagrams. Clarity and focus. In good writing style, everything makes sense and readers do not get lost or have to read passages to figure out what's going on. Then organization. A well organized piece of writing is not only clear, it is presented in way that is logical. Third is ideas and themes. Is the topic of your paper relevant? Does your story come complete with themes? Can the reader visualize your poem? For a piece of writing to be considered well crafted, it has to contain clearly identifiable ideas and themes. Then, for whys, this is what sets you apart from all other writers. It's your unique way of choosing words, formulating ideas, grammar, and style. Many writers should wish this one away, but for a piece of writing to be considered good, to check grammar and style. So it's about types of writing and characteristics of good writing. If you have any questions, so you can ask in your WhatsApp group or any other way. Allah Hafiz, take care.